Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are very happy to be with you today.
Today is my favorite episode. I am so excited
Why are you excited, Leo?
because we are talking about animals, specifically animals that live in our house.
Ah, yes. Today we are talking about pets.
Do you like animals, Charlotte?
I love animals. I have a cat named Luna. She is beautiful.
And I have a dog named Max. He is my best friend.
Pets are part of the family. Talking about them is a great way to practice English.
Exactly. Today, we will learn words to describe your animal friends.
Are you ready to talk about cats, dogs, and hamsters? Let's unlock our English.
First, let's start with the most important word, the word for the category,
This is our first key word, pet.
pet. P-E-T.
Pet is an animal you keep in your house. It is an animal you love.
It is not for eating.
It is not for work.
It is a friend.
For example, a dog is a pet.
A lion is not a pet. A lion is a wild animal.
My fish is a pet. It lives in my bedroom.
Listeners, please repeat. Pet.
Pet.
I have a pet.
I have a pet.
Great. Now, all pets need one thing. They need to eat.
Yes, and you need to give them food. This is an action. This is a verb.
This is our second key word, feed.
Feed. F-E-E-D.
Feed means to give food to someone or something.
For example, I feed my dog every morning. I put food in his bowl.
Or, please feed the cat. She is hungry.
You can feed a baby. You can feed a bird.
Listeners, repeat this action. Feed.
Feed.
I feed my pet.
I feed my pet.
Excellent. Now, some pets need exercise. They need to go outside.
Especially dogs. Dogs love to run and smell the grass. This is our third key word, walk.
Walk. W-A-L-K.
Usually, walk means to move your legs, but with a pet, walk the dog means to take the dog outside for exercise.
For example, I walk my dog in the park.
Or, it is raining. I do not want to walk the dog.
Remember, you usually walk dogs. You do not walk a fish. And you usually do not walk a cat.
That would be funny. Listeners, repeat the phrase, walk the dog.
Walk the dog.
Walk.
Walk.
Very good. Now, let's talk about personality. What is your pet like?
My dog, Max, loves to run. He loves to catch the ball. He has a lot of energy.
He sounds fun. We have a word for that. This is our fourth key word, playful.
Playful. P-L-A-Y-F-U-L.
Playful describes an animal that likes to play. They are happy and active.
For example, the kitten is very playful. It chases the toy.
Or, my dog is not playful. He likes to sleep all day.
Being playful is a good thing. It makes you laugh.
Listeners, repeat the adjective, playful.
Playful.
My cat is playful.
My cat is playful.
Nice. Now, let's talk about touching your pet.
I love to touch my dog's ears. They feel very nice, like a cloud or like cotton.
Yes, that feeling is nice. This is our fifth key word, soft.
Soft. S-O-F-T.
Soft means it feels smooth and nice. It is not hard like a rock. It is comfortable.
For example, the rabbit has soft fur.
Or, My pillow is soft. I like to sleep on it.
When you touch a cat, usually the cat is soft.
Listeners, repeat this sensory word. Soft.
Soft.
It is very soft.
It is very soft.
Great job. Now we have one more important word.
Yes, sometimes our pets get sick. They feel bad.
When they are sick, we cannot take them to a human hospital. We take them to a special doctor.
This is our final key word, vet.
Vet. V-E-T.
Vet is short for veterinarian, but that's a long word. In English, we almost always say vet.
A vet is a doctor for animals.
For example, my dog is sick. I need to go to the vet.
Or, the vet gave medicine to my cat.
Being a vet is a very important job. They save animals.
Listeners, repeat the word. Vet.
Vet.
Take the dog to the vet.
Take the dog to the vet.
Wonderful. We have 6 amazing words. Pet, feed, walk, playful, soft, vet.
Now let's use them in a conversation.
Good idea. Listeners, imagine Leo and I are meeting in the park.
I have my dog, Max, and Charlotte, do you have your cat?
No, cats do not like the park. I am just walking by myself.
Okay, let's start. Hello, Charlotte.
Hi, Leo. Oh, who is this?
This is Max. He is my pet dog.
He is beautiful. Can I touch him?
Yes, he is very friendly. Touch his head.
Wow, his hair is so soft.
Yes, he is soft, and he is very playful. Look, he wants to jump.
He has a lot of energy. Do you walk him every day?
Yes, I walk him in the morning and in the evening.
That's a good exercise. What does he eat?
I feed him dog food, and sometimes I give him chicken.
Lucky dog. He looks very healthy.
He is healthy now, but last week he was sick.
Oh no, what happened?
He ate chocolate. Chocolate is bad for dogs.
That is dangerous. Did you go to the doctor?
Yes, I took him to the vet immediately. The vet helped him.
I'm glad he's okay now.
Me too. Well, Max wants to run. Goodbye, Charlotte.
Bye, Leo. Bye, Max.
End of conversation. That was fun.
It is very easy to talk about pets. People love to hear about your dog or cat.
Let's review the grammar quickly.
Sure. We often use I have. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a bird.
And we use the present simple for routines. I walk the dog every day. I feed the cat at 7 p.m.
It is a routine. It happens again and again.
Listeners, do you have a pet?
Maybe you have a fish. Fish are easy. You feed them, but you do not walk them.
Maybe you have a bird. Birds are playful. Some birds talk.
Or maybe you want a pet in the future. Now you know the words.
Let's do a final check of our vocabulary. Repeat after me. One last time.
Sure. Pet, the animal friend.
Feed, giving food.
Walk, exercise outside.
Playful, loves to play.
Soft, nice to touch.
Vet, the animal doctor.
You are doing a fantastic job.
Charlotte, do you have a motivational thought for this episode?
I do. It's about the love of a pet.
Tell us.
The quote is, "Small friends make a big difference."
I like that. A pet is small, but the love is big.
Exactly. And your English vocabulary is getting big too.
Step by step, word by word.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Give your pet a hug from us. Or if you don't have a pet, give yourself a hug.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.